Streusel starts with a 1/4 cup of brown butter and 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, 1 cup of light brown sugar and cinnamon. Unsalted butter. Mix this mixture with a whisk attachment until it resembles wet sand. 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of sifted powdered sugar, vanilla bean. This thing is fat. Smell. Add in a 1/4 cup of milk and mix with a paddle attachment on a medium-high speed until combined. Sifted all-purpose flour. Next, add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. And set to the side. Room temperature butter, 1 1/2 sticks of room temp butter. Okay, adding in sugar. That was 3/4 cup. Next, add in 2 eggs and 1 yolk, one at a time. 3/4 cup of sour cream. Let's take a quick trip to the farmer's market for some awesome glowed carrots. I like to use these because they have an incredible carroty flavor and take on heat very well. Add in your 1 cup of finely shredded carrots and thoroughly combine. Next, fold in your sifted dry ingredients. Pour into a 9-inch cake pan, top with streusel, and bake in a 350-degree oven for about 50 minutes. Finish with a cream cheese glaze and enjoy. For me, this is home. This is my mom's incredible carrot cake and my dad's weekend coffee cakes all rolled into one, just in time for spring. Wow. Until next time, cook with intention.